Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Ace. Today, we're going to transform the Honda Click 125i from stock to stunning with some amazing customization ideas. Whether you're looking to enhance performance, add some style, or improve comfort, I've got you covered. Buckle up, let's go! Customizing your Honda Click 125, I can make it uniquely yours and enhance your riding experience. Here are some of the best mods and accessories you can consider. First up, let's talk about performance mods. If you're looking to boost your scooter's performance, here are a few upgrades you might want to consider. Akrapovic Slip-On Exhaust. Upgrading to an Akrapovic Slip-On Exhaust can improve your scooter's power and sound. It's specifically designed for the Click 125i and offers a significant performance boost. K&N High Flow Air Filter. A K&N High Flow Air Filter can increase airflow to the engine, improving performance and fuel efficiency. It's a popular choice for aftermarket air filters. Malossi Variator Kit. Installing a Malossi Variator Kit can enhance acceleration and top speed. This kit is known for its reliability and performance improvements. Next, let's move on to styling accessories. Adding some stylish accessories can make your Honda Click 125i stand out from the crowd. Custom decals from Moto Skins. Personalize your scooter with custom decals from Moto Skins. They offer a variety of designs and colors to match your style. LED Underglow Kit by XKK Glow. Upgrade your scooter's lighting with an LED Underglow Kit from XK Glow. These lights not only look cool, but also improve visibility. Louis Moto Seat Covers. A custom seat cover from Louis Moto can add a touch of style and comfort to your ride. They offer options with extra padding and unique designs. Now, let's talk about comfort enhancements. These mods can make your rides more enjoyable, especially on longer trips. Givi Windshield. Adding a Givi windshield can reduce wind fatigue and improve aerodynamics. It's easy to install and provides excellent protection. Pro Grip Handlebar Grips. Upgrading to Pro Grip handlebar grips can reduce hand fatigue and improve control. These grips have gel padding and anti-slip materials for added comfort. Shad Backrest. If you often ride with a passenger, consider adding a shad backrest for extra comfort and support. It's easy to install and provides great comfort. Let's not forget about practical accessories. These additions can make your daily rides more convenient. Givi Top Case. A Givi Top Case provides extra storage space for your belongings. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for commuting or long trips. RAM Mount Phone Holder. A RAM mount phone holder allows you to use your smartphone for navigation or music while riding. It's sturdy and easy to adjust. Oxford USB Charger. Installing an Oxford USB charger on your scooter can keep your devices powered up on the go. This is especially useful for long rides or when using your phone for navigation. Finally, let's talk about security upgrades. Keeping your scooter safe is crucial, and these accessories can help. ABUS Granite Detecto X Plus 8077 Disc Lock. A disc lock from ABUS is a simple yet effective way to deter theft. This model comes with an alarm for added security. Monimoto GPS Tracker. Installing a Monimoto GPS tracker can help you locate your scooter if it's ever stolen. It's discreet and reliable. Scorpio SRX 900 Alarm System. An alarm system from Scorpio can provide an extra layer of security. It comes with remote control and motion sensors to alert you of any tampering. So, there you have it guys. Some of the best mods and accessories to transform your Honda Click 125i from stock to stunning. Whether you're looking to boost performance, add some style, improve comfort, or enhance security, these upgrades can make your scooter truly yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Auto Ace for more awesome content. Ride safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching.